Hello children, this is 5th standard maths. Chapter name is Operation with Large Numbers. In that exercise 2.2 story sums. 7th question now. In an election, Bharat secured 32,48,329 votes and Kishore secured 3,26,45,806 votes. Who won and by how many votes? What was the total number of votes cast? So here sentence in an election Bharat secured 32,48,329 votes. So sentence is votes secured by Bharat. Votes secured by Bharat is 32,48,329 and Kishore secured 3,26,45,806 votes. So which who secured more vote? Kishore secured more vote than Bharat. Here vote sentence is vote secured by Kishore. How much children? 3,26,45,806. Who won and by how many votes? So here itself we can say because Kishore vote secured by Kishore is in 3 crore and vote secured by Bharat in 32 lakhs. It is in a 10 lakhs and it is in crore. So which is greater? 3 crore 26 lakh 45,800 is greater than 32 lakhs. So Kishore won by that we have to find. So this is greater than this number. Find the values. 3. So here 3 crore, this number should be 26,45,806. So Kishore won by number of votes. Votes secured by Kishore is 3,26,45,806. Now we have to find the difference of these two, subtraction of these two amount number. Sorry, not amount. 9238423 and here minus symbol. How much children? 6 minus 9 we can't subtract, borrow 1 from next number. So here 16 and this will become so out of 8 will give 1 to here. So here 10 out of 10 1 is here and now 10 is now 9 and 8 is now 7. Okay, now 16 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much children? 5, 6, 7. Then 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 means 7. Again here 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 8 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from next number. So this will become borrow 1 from here. So this is here 14 and 4 will become 3. And 3 minus 4 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from this number. See next number. So here 1. So this will become 13 and 6 is now 5. Now 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 means equalize 8 into 15. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7. Now here 13. 13 minus 4 means 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. And here 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. And here 2 minus 3 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from next number. So here from 3 1 is here. So it become 12 and 3 is now 2. Now 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 means 9 and 2. So Kishore won by 2 crore 93 lakh 97,477. So Kishore won by 2 crore 93 lakh 97,477 votes. Then what we have to find next? Who won? So Kishore won because number of votes secured by Kishore is greater than Bharat. Who won and by how many votes? How many votes? That we written there. 2 crore 93 lakhs. What was the total number of votes cast? So we have to find total number of vote cast are means how many people are voted. Now we have to find the total of this. This is a Bharat secured vote and this is Kishore secured. Total of these two are total number of vote cast by people. Now find the total of that. 32,48,329 plus 3 crore. 3 crore, no children. So 6, 0, 8, 5, 4, 6, 2 and 3. So your total means you have to add 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 carry here, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 1 here, 1 carry over to next place, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14 means 1 carry over to next place, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Now 2 plus 6 is 7, 8, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 3 here. Answer is 3 crore 58 lakh 94,135. Total number of vote casts are 3 crore 58 lakh 94,135. Now 8th question. In an election there were 3 candidates A, B, C, or 3 people are there A, B, C. A got 5 crore 65 lakh 68,496 votes. Candidate B got 6 crore 68 lakh 35,608 votes. If the total number of votes was 22 crore 36 lakh 50,608, how many votes did candidate C get? Who won the election? So in an election there are 3 people A, B, C. So A got 5 crore and B got 6 crore changes and total number of vote was 22 crores changes. How many votes did candidate C get? So we know in question number of votes secured by A is given and number of votes secured by B is given and total number of vote cast means number of people who vote are given. So here 22 total number of votes are 22 crore 36 lakh and changes. So here now we have to find C, number of votes secured by C. So A, number of votes secured by A is given, B is given and total number of votes also given. Now we have to find number of votes secured by C. So sentence is number of votes for A candidate, or we can write number of votes secured by A candidate. Okay, how much? In an election there was A, B, C, 5 crore 65 lakh 88,496. 5 crore 65 lakh 88,496. Then candidate B got how much? So we can write here number of votes for B candidate or number of votes secured by B candidate. How much, children? 6 crore 68 lakh 35,608. It is also given in a question. This number also given in a question. Then if total number of votes was, that is also, if total number of vote was 22 crore 36 lakh 50,608. This is also given in a question. Write that information. Total number of votes was 22 crore 36 lakh 50,608. So this is A candidate secured and votes, number of votes secured by B candidate and total number of votes. Now we have to find, what is the question there? How many votes did candidate C get? So how many votes did candidate C get? So we have to find, so this is a total number of votes. So we have to add these two, A and B. So A, B, number of votes secured by A and B. Then we have to minus with the total number of vote. So first add these two. So number of votes secured by A and B. Then minus with this. So here 5 crore 65,000 88 lakh 496 plus Z806 53866. Here total of this 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 9 is 10, 0, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 4, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 2 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 4 here, 1 carry out to next place. 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 3 here, 1 carry out to next place. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So here total number of votes secured by A and B is 12 crore 34 lakh 24,104. Total of these two. Now total number of votes means total number of vote cast is 22 lakh 36,050. 22 crore 36 lakh 50,608. We have to minus these two. Okay, subtract with the total number of vote cast and these two people total. Okay. Now 22 crore 36 lakh 50,608 I minus with this total minus 4 0 1 4 2 4 3 2 1. 8 minus 4 is 4, 0 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 1 is 5. So 0 minus 4 we can't subtract it, borrow 1 from next number, so 10 and this will become 4. 10 minus 4 means 6, now here 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 10 crore 2 lakh 26,504. Number of votes secured by candidate C, or the sentence is number of votes secured by candidate C, or who won the election. That is also given in a question. We can write this sentence, or we can write candidate C won election by how much number? How many numbers? 10 crore 2 lakh 26,504. This is the answer. 10 crore 2 lakh 26,504. Now 9th question. Mr. Buddhi bought a house for 65 lakh 43,200. He spent 35 lakh 46,300 in repairing it. If he then sold the house for 99 lakh 99,900, did he lose or gain money, and how much? Now here Buddhi brought house for a cost how much? 65 lakh 43,200. 65 lakh 43,000 house. Okay. After that he spent 35 lakh 46,300 for repair, because he bought old house. Again he spent 35 lakh 46,300 for repair. So now what is the actual cost of house now? After spending 35 lakh 46,300, what is the cost of house now? Whether 65 lakh 43,200 is the cost of house? No. So we have to add the repair amount. The amount spent for repair to the cost. So 60 he bought for 65 43,000. Then repair, so money spent for repair is 35 lakh something. So now the actual cost of the house is total of these two, 65 lakh 45,000 plus 35 460, not only 35 65 43. Now here cost of a house means a Buddhi bought a house for 65. The sentence is cost of a house is how much? 65 lakh 43,200. 65 lakh 43,200. Again he spent 35 lakh 46,300 for repair. So sentence is money spent for repair. How much? 35 lakh 46,300. This amount he spent for repair. Now total cost of a house. Therefore, total cost of a house is, we have to add repair amount with the amount there. Okay, 65, 43, 200 plus 35, 46, 300. Cost of a house, purchase amount plus repair amount. So add the total, find the total of that. 65, 43, 200 and 35, 46, 300. Both are in loss. So plus, because this is a purchase amount, this is a repair amount. 0, 0, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry over, 1 plus 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So total cost of a house is 1 crore 89 lakh 500. So he spent 1 crore 89 lakh 500 for that house. Okay, that is a total cost, not this amount. This is a purchase amount of a house, 65 lakh 43,000, and again he spent 35 lakh for something for a repair. So now the cost of that house is, total cost of the house is how much? 1 crore 89 lakh 500. 1 crore 89,500. 1 crore 89,000. Sorry, 1 lakh 89,500. Cost of a house is 1 lakh 89,500. Now in question they given, if he then sold the house for 99 lakh 99,900. Then he sold house for 99 lakh 99,900. His mind is changed. Now he want to sell that house. When he sold the house for how much amount? So here now selling price of a house, how much? 99 lakh 99,900. So here cost of purchase, cost of a house is now 1 lakh 89,500 and selling price is 99 lakh 99,900. Now you have to find whether it is a profit or loss. Check children, 1 lakh is greater or 99 lakh is greater? Here, sorry children, this is 1 crore 89 lakh 89,500. Cost of a house is 65 lakh 43,200 and he spent 35 lakh 46,300 for a repair. After that, the total cost of a house is 1 crore 89,500. 1 crore 89,500. Now selling price of a house is 99 lakh 99,900. 99 lakh 99,900. So which is the greater one? 1 crore is greater or 99 lakh 99,000 is greater? So 1 crore is greater. So cost of a house is greater. When cost price is greater than selling price, this is a cost price, purchase amount, and selling price. Cost price is greater than selling price means loss. That we have to find. Therefore, loss. Find the loss. 1 crore 89,500. 1 crore 89,500 minus 0. Cost price is greater than selling price. So we are getting loss here. 9. 1 crore 89,500 minus 99 lakh 99,900. 0. 5 minus 9 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from next number, that is 15, and 9 will become 8. 8 minus 9 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from here. So here it will become 18 and here this is 7. Again 7 minus 9 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from next number. So here 0, we can't get 1 here. Here also 0. Borrow 1 from here. So this will become 10. Out of 10, here 1 and this is now 9. Okay. Now out of 10, 1 is here and this 10 will become 9. We give 1 to here and this 10 will become 9. Now, so here 15. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 means how much? 6. Then here 8. 8 minus 9 we can't borrow 1. So this is now 18. 18 minus 9 means 9. Now here 17. 17 minus 9 means 8. And 9 minus 9 is 0 and 9 minus 9 is 0. Total is 89,600. Last amount is 89,600. This is the last amount. Cost of a house, repair amount. So total cost is this. Total cost of the house is 1 crore. And selling price is 99,99,900. So selling price should be greater than cost price, then we get profit. If cost price is greater than selling price means loss. Now 10th question. ABC Public School bought 2 buses and a car for 20,55,300. If the cost of a bus is 8,45,560, find the cost of the car. So here ABC School bought 2 buses. Okay, 2 buses and a car means 1 car. ABC School bought 2 buses and 1 car. Cost is how much? 20,55,300. 2 bus and 1 car cost is 20,55,200 total. Then if the cost of a bus means 1 bus. Cost of 1 bus is how much? 8,45,560. So here a school bought 2 buses and 1 car. Total cost is 20,55,300. And cost of 1 bus is 8,45,560. So what is the cost of 2 buses then? This number we have to add 8,45,560 plus 8,45,560. Then we get the cost of 2 buses. After that, find the cost of the car. So total he spent 20,55,300 for purchasing 2 bus and car. In that we have to minus bus amount. So we get the car amount. Then we get the car amount. So here ABC Public School bought 2 buses and a car for 20,55,300. So here sentence is cost of 2 buses and a car. How much? It is given in a question 20,55,300. And next sentence is the cost of a bus. A bus means 1 bus. Cost of 1 bus is 8,45,560. Cost of a bus means 1 bus. How much? 8,45,560. Now we have to find cost of 2 buses are. So we have to add this amount twice, 2 times. 1 bus cost is 8,45,560 plus 1 more bus means we have to add same amount. For 1 bus cost, this is the amount. So 2 bus means we have to add same amount once again, 560. Add and check, children. 8,45,560 plus 8,45,560 plus 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 carry. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1 here. 1 carry out to next place. For 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 is here. 1 carry out to next place. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 8 plus 8 is 16. 16,91,120. So here cost of 2 buses are 16,91,120. So then what we have to find? If the cost of 1 bus is 8 lakh something, find the cost of a car. So out of this amount, this is the total cost of bus and 2 buses and car. Out of this amount we have to subtract this value. This is 2 buses amount. This is 2 bus and 1 car amount, total amount. 2 bus and total 1 car amount. Here 2 buses amount is 16,91,120. We have to subtract these 2 amount, then we get the car amount. Therefore sentence is, therefore the cost of the car. Subtract these two values. Total money spent to buy vehicles is 20,55,300. Out of that minus 0 to 1 1961. Okay, 0 minus 0 0. Here 0 minus 2 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from next number. So here 10 and this 3 will become 2. Okay, now 10 minus 2 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 9 we can't subtract because 5 is less than 9. Borrow 1 from next number. Here 0. We can't get any number from here. So next number. So 2 will give 1 to here and this will become 1. Out of this 10, together is 10. Out of 10, 10 will give 1 to here and this 10 will become 9 because he gave 1 to his friend. Now 15 minus 9 means 6. 15 minus 9 means is 6. Okay. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Value is 3,64,180. Then cost of the car is 3,64,180. Here this is in rupees. The amount.